Hello and welcome to this Essential Math Skills for Science. In this one we're looking at the topic of drawing pie charts. Now so far we've been thinking about different sorts of graphs. We looked at bar charts and line graphs and scatter graphs, and so pie chart is a fourth one in this series. Now pie charts, people love pie charts. Okay, they love doing pie charts because they're a really good way to display data. They're very pictorial and also you can colour them in, and everybody likes a bit of colouring in. Now here's some data showing what different food groups there are in a single bite of a burger. So you've got carbohydrates, you've got fats, you've got proteins, fibres, other stuff. Now if we put that into a bar chart, here's our key. The key is down here. So key is carbohydrate, is the bluey one, the orange one's fats and proteins and fibre and others. Now they're very colourful and appealing, but because they involve angles they're a bit harder to draw, but we can master that, I'm sure. Okay, now what do you need? First of all, a protractor. Now somewhere in the depths of your pencil case or your rucksack you'll have a protractor. It comes out very rarely, but you're going to need one to draw your pie chart. So find it, dust it off, and let's get started. Now we're going to use the data again from the food type. Makes it easier, so carbohydrates up to others. So let's see what we do. First thing we do is we add up all these numbers. So 12 plus 6 plus 10, 4 and 4 gives a total of 36. The first thing to do is add up all the numbers to get a total, and our total is 36. Now you should know from your maths that there's 360 degrees in a circle. What we now do, we divide 360 by the total from the previous slide. So 360 divided by 36, very handily for us today, equals 10. It just makes it nice and easy that way. Now this tells us each gram in the table, for example carbohydrates is 12 grams, is represented by 10 degrees on the pie chart. Let's see what that means. We've got to multiply each value, so 12 and 6 and 10 and 4 and 4, by the number we calculated, which is 10. This gives the angle we need to draw for each category. So for carbohydrates it's 120 degrees, fats it's 60, protein 100, fibre 40, other 40. So we've now got some angles we can work on. So now again, somewhere in your pencil case you'll have some compasses. So draw a circle using a compass and draw a start line up from the centre like we've drawn here. Now lay your protractor onto the circle like we've done here and measure out the first angle, which we know is 120 degrees, and that comes to down here. So label it carbohydrates, and at this point if you're so keen you can colour it in. You could label it here or you could have a little key at the side, exactly up to you. Okay. Now then lay your protractor on the first line you just drew for the first category and draw the rest of the angles onto the circle. So for example fat, what's fat? 60. So from this line here round there is 60 degrees. Again, don't forget to label it. And we do that for each of the food types, protein, fibre and other. Nearly there. Okay, and there we have it. That is the finished product. So you can see here carbohydrates, fats, proteins, fibre, other. Very pictorial. And now if you want to, I know you're dead keen, start colouring. Right, well here's some examples you'd have a go at. Percentage masses of the elements in calcium carbonate CaCO3, that's calcium, carbon, oxygen, are given in the table below. Do a bar chart to display this data. So calcium is 40%, carbon is 12%, oxygen 48%. Another example, a group of students investigated percentages of electricity produced by various energy sources in the UK. The data obtained is shown below. Do a pie chart to display the results. We've got coal, oil, nuclear, coal, gas, nuclear, other, and there's the percentages. So simply, as we've done before, work those out as degrees around our pie chart and draw it in. Okay, so that's how we draw pie charts. A little bit more difficult, but I'm sure you're up to it. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll be back with the video very soon. So bye bye for now.